uh, in the classroom. We just created. So we have three account groups: D001, D002, D003. Let us create some more customers with this account group. I'll create that. We just created one customer. XD01. So already how many customers we have for this account group? SC16H, D001, sorry, KNA1. Account group D001. We have only one customer, 7000550. Now D002, only one customer. What is the customer number? 610400. Next D003, only one customer, 400601. Oh. Now we'll create some 4 5 customers in each account group. We'll do that. I'll just copy from this customer, 70050. Okay. XD01, account group D001. D, what is our JDLK?
Z100, sir. Sales organization Z100, Z1, Z1.
JDLK. Okay. Only company code is JDLK, remaining all Z100, Z1, Z1. Oh. Now just copy from previous customer, 70050.
Hello.
Okay, enter. Country D. Okay. Go to company code data, go to sales area data, partner tax classification one, save it. Okay. What is the number? 700051. Create one more customer and extend this customer to both the divisions. XD01, 700051. Extend this customer to Z2 division. Save it. Okay. Next, create one more customer. Go to company code data, sales area data, save it, tax classification 1, save it, okay. 700052, 700052, save it. Next, create one more customer. Go to company code data, sales area data, mention the tax classification, save it, 700053, extend this to other division, save it. Next, so create one more customer, go to company code data, sales area data, billing, tax classification, save it. Okay. Extend this customer to other division 700054, save it like that. Okay. So we just created some customers. Now, how many customers you have in D001 account group? 5 customers. D001, 5 customers. D002, 1 customer. D003, 1 customer. D001, D002, D003. What is the number range? D1, D2, D3. D1, what is the from number? 7000502 70099. External blank. Next here, D2, 610400 to 610499. External blank. Blank means internal. Next, D3, 400601. 400699, external blank. We define this number ranges also, starting only F1, F2, F3, F1, BP number ranges we define starting only. External should be checked if you want same number. Okay, take this total customer 7. This is as per classroom. This is
Sir, here we should we take that BP number external?
yes, yes. We already created BP number. I'll show you in system because I want same number, so I reserve this because this system is uh, this is a practice system for everyone. So I reserve this BP thing only, and external is check. Okay.
Sir, why you check external, sir? Is there a
I'll
reason, sir?
I'll show you. I'll tell you. Just take this. When we start configurations, I'll explain this. Is it over? So as per classroom, we have total 7 customers. D00 5 customers. D00 1 customer. D003 1 customer. And these are the number ranges, number interval, and from number to number external. And this we already reserved this, so take this. I'll show you once again this. Okay. Over. Okay. Next, after BP activation step, second one, define BP roles. Define BP roles. Define BP roles. See, BP role specifies whether the BP is a customer or vendor. BP roles differentiates whether the customer is whether the BP is customer or vendor. And BP role controls the fields in BP. BP role controls the fields in BP. That is whether to make the field mandatory or optional or display or suppress. Okay, take this. BP roles differentiates whether the BP is customer or vendor. BP role differentiates whether the BP is customer or vendor. BP roles controls the fields in BP, that is whether to make the field mandatory or optional or display or suppress. Okay. So your BP role purpose is it differentiates the BP is a customer or vendor or contract person or etc. etc. And this BP role in BP roles will help to control the fields in BP. That is whether to make the field mandatory or optional or display or suppress. See your standard uh, customer FI, customer FI BP role is FLCU00. Customer SD means sales, FLCU01, FI, FLVN00, vendor purchase, FLVN01, credit management, UKM 000. Take these standard roles. We define our own roles, practice purpose. You have to define your own roles.
Sir, we have one doubt in credit management, sir. Shall we ask now or sometime later?
Later you can ask.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Okay. So credit management, UKM 000. Okay. Over. Now we define our own BP roles. Take the path to define BP roles, path to define BP roles, path to define BP roles. Take the path SPRO, cross application components, SPRO, cross application components, SAP business partner, SAP business partner, SAP business partner. In that business partner, in that business partner, basic settings, basic settings, See your practice purpose, you have to define your own. You cannot use standard, everyone cannot use standard. So you define your own. Okay. Basic settings, define business partner roles. After basic settings, business partner roles. After basic settings, business partner roles. Define BP roles. Define BP roles. Define BP roles. Define BP roles. Okay. See here standard you can see FLCU00, FI customer, uh, FLCU01 customer, FLVN00 vendor, FI vendor, FLVN01 vendor, UKM 000 credit management. Like we define our own. Take this, double click on, take the notes. Double click on BP role categories. Double click on BP role categories. We mentioned ZLCU is already there. I'm just checking the name. Okay, I'll give some name uh, ZZCU00, ZZCU01. I'll mention the name like this. Customer FI ZZCU00, customer SD ZZCU01. I'll give this name. You make a note of it when you define. So double click on BP role categories. Double click on BP role categories. First go to BP role categories. Go to new entries. Mention BP role category ZZCU00, customer FI, customer FI. Mention the title, description. Mention this differentiation type 0. General data is common for both FI and SD. Both roles, general data is common. Okay. Mention that 0. General data differentiation type. Mention 0. Select organization, person, group. Check these three. Check organization, person, group. Check organization, person, group. Press enter. Press enter. Save it. Save it. Save it. Next, go back. Go back. Go to new entries. Go to new entries. ZZCU01 customer SD. Customer SD. Differentiation type same 0. General data. Mention the differentiation type 0. Check organization, person, group. Save it. Okay. Next, double click on BP roles. Double click on BP roles. Double click on BP roles. Go to new entries. Go to new entries. Okay, same. You try to give same name. ZZCU00 customer FI. Customer FI. So already we created BP role category. Assign this ZZCU00. Assign BP role category. ZZCU00. Assign BP role category. ZZCU00. Scroll down. Mention BP view. So this we have to mention standard.
Sir, can
We
you
cannot
little, sir, can you go back and tell, sir? I could not understand. First, you
mention
have done,
BP
sir,
role category.
BP role category, sir, you have done, no, sir. Then now we are going to
Yes,
do
yes.
BP role now.
BP role. Give same name ZZCU00. Inside assign BP role category. Scroll down. Mention the BP view we are doing for customer FI. Uh, BP view standard FLCU00. This is for fields, controlling the fields, BP view. So you have to give standard only. Mention FLCU00, BP view standard. We cannot have our own. So mention standard FLCU00, BP view. Press enter, save it. Now do it for customer SD. Go back, go to new entries, go to new entries. ZZCU01, customer SD, customer SD. Mention BP role category, ZZCU01, ZZCU01. Mention BP role category, ZZCU01. Scroll down, scroll down. Mention BP view
Sir,
standard
do we need to check that standard?
FLCU01. One second. Mention the standard FLCU01 BP view for customer SD. Save it. Oh, yes,
So do we need to check this box, sir? Standard assignment, BP role,
that will
this
come
checkbox?
automatically. That will come when you enter this, that will come automatically.
Okay, okay, sir.
Okay. No need to check this manually. When you enter BP role category, that will be checked. Okay.
Sir, BP role and BP role category, what is the difference? What it controls?
Category specifies in category. What is that we mentioned? Organization, person. Organization means customer when you create normal customer. Person means contact person. Group means hierarchy related customer. So that control we have in category. And finally, category we assign it to BP role. In BP role, we mention the views. Okay.
Sir, here you choose BP view as FLCU01, sir.
Because this is customer SD. Customer SD, what is the BP view?
Okay, okay,
FLCU01 here. Okay.
okay.
Previous one we selected FLCU00, customer F5. Okay. BP view means it controls the fields. We have fields in BP view, all the fields in BP. We can control that. Okay.
But we
Save
cannot
it.
customize this BP view, sir.
No, no. Standard you have to use. Okay. Save it. So what is our BP role? Uh, ZZCU00, customer F5, ZZCU01, customer SD. Next step, see here, just I'll show you in system. If you go to, so if you go to BP, so here we have to select person or organization or group, which we selected in BP role categories. Okay. Organization. Now here we mention BP role. It will appear here ZZCU00, ZZCU01, like. So you have to mention BP role whenever you are creating BP. Suppose if I mention ZZCU00, then we have to mention grouping, we'll see next. We have to give grouping. Grouping is for number ranges. Mention the grouping. Then you create BP. Means just I'm showing when you are creating BP. This is a here you have BP role. Okay. Next, take this number ranges and groupings. number ranges and groupings. Heading, take the path for this. Path, SPRO, same path, but take SPRO cross application components. SPRO cross application components. SPRO cross application components. SAP Business Partner, SAP Business Partner. In that business partner, inside SAP Business Partner, again business partner, basic settings, basic settings, number ranges and groupings, number ranges and groupings, number ranges and groupings. Here, first one, define number ranges, define number ranges, bracket, BP number ranges, T code, BUCF, define inside, define number ranges, bracket, BP number ranges, T code, BUCF. So here we define BP number ranges, which we already defined. Okay. So go inside, define BP number ranges. Define BP number ranges. Change intervals. Click on change intervals. Click on change intervals. So you can see the T code below. BUCF. You can see the T code BUCF. So here we define BP number ranges. Now here my scenario is, my BP scenario is customer number and BP number should be same. Customer number and BP number should be same. So in real time, this BP number is totally available in real time. BP number is total available. So whatever the number you want, you can define same number in BP. But here practice system, we have to reserve that. If you define customer numbers and later if you try to match BP number same, that may not be possible in practice system because someone might have used that number. So that is the reason when you define customer number ranges, try to reserve BP number ranges, define that and reserve that so that you can have same number. So if you want same number, then when you define, that is the reason when we define customer number ranges, we define BP number ranges also. F1, F2, F3, so that we can reserve the same number. Okay. So, but real we don't have this issue. Total numbers will be available in BP, total free. BP number is totally free. You can use any number, whatever the number, customer number ranges, same you can define it here in real time. But here practice system, if you want same number, then we have to reserve this. Okay. So my BP scenario is customer number and BP number should be same. So this is a requirement from my end. Okay. So that is the reason when we define starting customer number ranges, we already defined BP number ranges and we reserve that. So go and check here F1, F2, F3. We already defined this. F1, same number, and we check external. So if you want same number, then you have to check external. If you don't check external, then system will not give same number. You don't get same number if you don't check external. So not only customer master, wherever you require same number, so you have to check external here. Take this, take the notes for this. If you want customer number and BP number same, if you want customer number and BP number same, then BP number should be external, then BP number should be external, then BP number should be external. See, external means what system will do, whatever the customer number, first system will check is the number range same, okay. Then whatever you give customer number, same will be taken as external. Means same number you will get as BP number. Otherwise, if you don't check external, the problem is, suppose we are migrating customer. Okay. Suppose first number range is same. Customer number, BP number. Number range is same. No, from number to number is same. But here, first you are migrating. Suppose I'll take this first number range 70050 to 70051. So first we are migrating this customer in system 70080 customer we are migrating in system. Okay. Now, if you don't check external, the problem is BP number, it will take the first number 70050. You are migrating first. If you migrate in sequence, no issue. But we are migrating this customer first, 70080 customer in system. So here it will take BP number as first number, 70050. So that is a problem you will have if you don't check external. Number range is same, but if you follow the sequence when you migrate, no issue. But if you don't follow the sequence, if you are migrating this customer first 70080, but when you go to BP, it will take the first number. What is the first number for this F1? 70050 like. So that is a problem we face if you don't check external. If you check external, whatever the customer number, same will be taken as irrespective of the sequence, same will be taken as BP number 70080 like. So that is the reason we have to check external. External means whatever the customer number, it will not follow the sequence. Whatever you enter customer number, that will be taken as BP number. If you check external like that. So that is the difference. Okay. So if you don't want same number, then no need to check external. If you don't want if customer number and BP number is different, then BP number should be internal. BP number we have to uncheck external. If you don't want same number, then BP number we uncheck external. That means internal. Like okay. Now, so here we already defined F1 same number and external is checked. F2 610400 610499 external is checked. F3 400601 400699 external is checked. So if you did not resort this number when you are practicing, if you did not reserve this number, and if you go to free intervals, if you don't have same number, then you can go for different number, uncheck external and go for different number. No issue. Later you can practice same number. You reserve BP number when you define customer number and you can practice. But now in during practice, if you did not reserve BP number and if you don't have free interval same number series, then what is the alternate option? Uncheck external and go for different number. Just practice that. If anyone did not reserve the BP number ranges same number, and now if you are trying to do that, and in free intervals if you don't have same number series, then uncheck external and you go for different customer number, BP number, different like that. Okay. Over. Next, take this.
Sir,
So
in
we
real
already.
time also we face this, sir, like same
Sorry,
depend. In real time also we face this, sir, same intervals
we don't
will
face
last.
this in real time. BP numbers total free available in real time. BP here BP number ranges is total free. You can define any. You can give any number
Okay.
range
Okay.
because it is total free in real time. Here practice system we already have used. So real time we don't have this issue. Real time whatever the number you want BP, you can give that because it is total free. Okay. So here we have F1, F2, F3. Next, in number ranges and grouping. Second one is this. Take this heading. Define groupings and assign number ranges. Define groupings and assign number ranges. Second one here. Define groupings and assign number ranges. Define groupings and assign number ranges. So your grouping purposes, it will carry the number range when you go to this BP creation. So here you will have grouping. Grouping to determine number ranges. The purpose of grouping is to determine number ranges The purpose of grouping is what? To determine number ranges. So here we define grouping. Define groupings and number ranges. We define like this. Uh, so here how many account groups we have? Three. Number ranges are different. So you have to define three BP groupings. We define like this: F001, F002, F003. Okay. So if multiple account groups is having same number range, then you can have uh, BP common BP grouping. So BP grouping main purpose is number ranges. So it is up to you. Based on the account groups, you define number ranges. If they have some 20 account groups, you define 20 number BP groupings. It is up to you. Or if you want to reduce that, if multiple account groups is having same number range, then you can have one BP grouping for the all for the multiple account groups for which you have same number. Or else you can define BP groupings based on the customer account groups. So here three account groups, we define three BP groupings. BP grouping
Sir,
F
we can
double
take
zero
some
one.
D001, D002, na sir.
You can give same also, but in the configuration we get confused whether it is account group or BP grouping. You can give same. There is no such restriction. But I want to differentiate account group as D001, BP grouping as F001, so that in the configuration we can see, we can identify that. Okay. Further configurations. If I give same, then when I am assigning, you don't know first one is what, second one is what, whether it is account group or BP grouping. So that differentiation we miss in the configuration. But in real time, when you are doing, you can have same. You can give same. There is no such restriction. F double
Sir,
zero one F1 number interval. What is from number to number external? Okay, that we already maintained above. Okay. F002, F2, F003, F3. Do this. Go to new entries. So in real time account groups, we have proper description. Same description try to maintain here for BP grouping. D001, what is the description? Try to maintain same because users will come to know with that. So here we did not give any proper description. F double Z, suppose in real time account group D001 is for domestic customers sold to party. So mention the same here description domestic customers like that. So try to follow the description account group. What is the description? Same try to maintain here. F001. I'll say BP1. Number range F1. Mention the number range. You have to assign the number range here. F1, F002, BP2, F2, F003, BP3, F3. Save it. We define three groupings.
So what is the external standard gripping last column,
Sorry.
sir? The last column EX standard gripping grouping. What is last column,
Standard
sir?
group. If you check this, you will get by default this. Whenever suppose if I check this, uh, I'll check F003. An entry already exists with the same key. One second. F003. We check this. So when you create BP organization, mention
Sir, why
BP
you
role.
check, sir, the three, sir?
Go back. F003. Grouping F003.
Sir, sir, we have created a four account group, sir. Where we have to check, sir? Standard
Sorry?
group. If we have, sir, four account groups, sir, we have created. Then the last account group we have to check there.
No, no, no. I'm just showing. If you check this, here by default you will get F001. So it is taking internal. We checked internal standard grouping SRM, so it is taking that. Okay. So ZZCU00. After configuration, you will come to know. We have further steps, but here you will get by default F003. Whatever you check, so you will get by default this grouping. If you check that standard grouping, internal, external. So present it is taking internal, but after our configuration we have further steps left. So it will take by default this one. If you check uh, any grouping, if you check that by default it will take that when you create BP. Okay. Next, I'll check for F001. Okay. So here what we did, we defined three groupings and we assigned BP number range here. So go to our and maintain this. Okay. Now this is our data. Now we have further configurations. We'll see that steps. I'll maintain here also. F001, F002, F003 is our grouping. Next, after number ranges and groupings, fourth one, take this heading, field groupings. Fourth one, take this heading, field groupings. Fourth one,
Sir, in
take
case,
this
sir,
heading.
description should be given same, na, sir?
Sorry?
Here BP description, sir, we are given BP1, BP2, na, sir. But in the
No, I just
customer,
gave in real time account group, whatever the description. Suppose D001, for D001, I am creating
you have
F001.
given different description, na, sir?
No, I have given, but in real time you give same description.
Okay, sir.
D001, I am creating F001. So D001, what is the description? Try to give same here. Okay, for F001. Fourth one, field groupings. field groupings. Make a note. Field groupings will help to control the fields in BP. Field groupings will help to control the fields in BP. Field groupings will help to control the fields in BP. That is whether to make the field mandatory. That is whether to make the field mandatory or optional or display or
Yes, sir.
suppress.
Could you please repeat one, sir?
Field groupings will help to control the fields in BP. Field groupings will help to control the fields in BP. That is whether to make the field mandatory or optional or display or suppress. Okay. Now, path is same. If you want to take this path, SPRO, cross application components, SPRO cross application components, SAP business partner, SPRO cross application components, SAP business partner. In that business partner, in that business partner, basic settings, field groupings, field groupings, configure field attributes per BP role, configure field attributes per BP role, configure field attributes per BP role, configure field attributes per BP role. Next, configure field attributes for each role category. 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 This one, second one. So here double click on Configure field attributes for each role category. Configure field attributes for each role category. Double click on this. Go to new entries. Go to new entries and mention your BP role. Go to new entries. Go to new entries and mention your BP role. ZZCU00, ZZCU01. Go to new entries and mention your BP role here. Mention your BP role here. See here, no need to control anything here during migration. Uh, Later in S4HANA, we control that after technical migration. When we go to S4HANA, we control the fields in BP. But present, no need to control anything. Just place your BP role here, save it. Because if you control something, uh, suppose if you put plant as mandatory, and there is one customer, plant is not maintained in customer master, so you will get error, so you will face these kind of problems. So make everything optional here, don't control anything in BP roles. Just I'll show you. If I select this, if I select customer SD, field groupings, go to field groupings. Here you can see the fields, customer sales data. If you double click on just customer sales data, account assignment group, account at customer, credit control area, customer pricing procedure for product proposal, customer ABC analysis, customer group, customer pricing procedure, delivering plan, delivery priority, like that. So we can see the fields, and in front of every field you have this hide means suppress, required means mandatory symbol you will get, and you have to enter that. Optional means you can enter or you can leave. Display means disable. So display means what, that field will be disabled like that. Okay.
So how
Sir,
you
what
enter this field once you show, sir?
Uh, just select your BP role, but don't control anything. Don't control anything here. Just keep it blank. Select the BP role. Click on field groupings. Select the BP role. Click on field groupings. Okay. Here, double click on this sales data. Just example, I'm only sales data. Double click on this sales data. Double click on this. Right side, you will get all the fields like that. Okay. So, but here, just place the roles. Save it. Place the roles. Save it. Place the BP roles and save it. Okay. So this is field groupings. Next, fifth step. Now see here, we have further configuration, but here I'll show you upgradation check report. Upgradation check report. Just we execute this. Upgradation check report. So what is the program for upgradation check report?
Pre-check underscore upgradation report.
Pre-check underscore upgradation underscore report. Okay. So go to SCA 38 program and mention the program as pre-check underscore upgradation underscore report. Or you have direct T code also. T code CVA underscore pre-check underscore upgrade. I'll show you both. Either you can execute the program or you can directly go to this T code. I'll just run execute the T code. CVA underscore CVA underscore pre-check underscore upgrade. So this is a you can execute that, you can run T code or you can, I'll show you program also later. Okay. Here inside check display results for current client. Check this display results for current client. Results for current client. Check this first. Then check all these check boxes. 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 Then execute. So here it is showing some errors. Okay. So first one is BP roles are assigned to account groups. We have to assign BP roles to customer account groups. So that is not there. It is showing. Click on first one. It will show clearly which account groups not assigned to BP roles. Ours is our customer D001. You have to always check only yours. Others you can leave it; they will do their. Okay. So ours is this. It is showing that in the error. So we have to assign this customer account groups to BP roles. Once you assign, you don't get your account group here. So always check after configuration whether your account group is appearing first step. Okay. So this is one. Next, one by one configuration. Second one is every account group BP grouping must be available. Every customer account group you have to assign BP group. So click on this second error. So do you have your account group here? Yes. We did not do that. So we'll do that configuration step. Okay. So others, everyone will do their. account groups. So you have to uh, uh, configure your account groups. Other account groups, they will do that. But make sure that your account group is not there after configurations. So we'll have that step. Next, it is showing error here, customer and vendor value mapping. Value mappings will show will see that. I'll show you. We have some fields which we need to map that customer and BP. Okay. Next, here it is showing CVI mapping. Here, total number of customers. If you see this, how many customers we have here present?
954.
954. We have, this is practice system. You have some data. So we have only 476 BPs like that. First one is BP, second one is so total it should match. We have customers not migrated to BP like the same vendor, total 17 vendors, but only 11 is migrated, so we have left out. Okay. And contact person also you have some errors. Okay. So this is how here first two steps you check whether your account group is available here. We have to do the config. So this is how we, here there is no back option. We have to do /n in this step. So I'll execute with the program /n SCA38. Mention the program. What is the program name?
So pre-check underscore upgradation underscore report.
Okay. Pre-check underscore upgradation underscore report. The T code for program is SCA38. You can see here. SCA38. So mention the program. This is the program name for upgradation report. Pre-check underscore upgradation underscore report. Execute. Okay. First you have to select this. Display results for current client. Then we have to check all these. Execute. Okay. Then click. See here. These two should be. Your account group should not appear here. Then only you can migrate your account group. Okay. So we'll see the configuration. So next step heading after field groupings. Uh, I'll give the path, but take the heading. Next step heading is take this. Define BP role for direction customer to BP. Define BP role for direction customer to BP.
Sir, same path.
So this would be the
Path
sixth
I'll show
step,
you.
sir.
I'll tell you. Just take the heading. Define BP role for direction customer to BP.
So this would be the sixth step, sir.
Um, yeah, sixth step. Define BP role for direction customer to BP. Define BP role for direction customer to BP. Take the path for this. SPRO, cross application components, SPRO cross application components. After that, master data synchronization, master data synchronization, master data synchronization, customer vendor integration, customer vendor integration, customer vendor integration, business partner settings, business partner settings, business partner settings, settings for customer integration, settings for customer integration, settings for customer integration, define BP role for direction customer to BP, define BP role for direction customer to BP, define BP role for direction customer to BP. So go inside, define BP role for direction customer to BP. Okay. So here you assign a customer account group to your BP role. Okay. Go to new entries, go to new entries, go to new entries. Account group means customer account group. Mention customer here. I'll show you here. Uh, account group. BP means we call grouping. BP grouping. Account group means customer account group. Bracket. Customer account group. Okay. And here we assign BP role. So what is our customer account group? D001, D002, D003. Assign it to BP role. We have two BP roles. We do like this: D001, ZZCU00, D001, ZZCU01. Okay. Next, D002, ZZCU00, D002, ZZCU01, D003, ZZCU00, D003, ZZCU01. Take this. Each account group, we assign it to both the roles, FI role and SD role. Over. Okay. So here go to new entries. Go to new entries. D double zero one ZZCU00 D double zero one ZZCU01. Next D double zero two ZZCU00 D double zero two ZZCU01 D double zero three ZZCU00 D double zero three ZZCU01. Save it. Save it. Go back. Now go and check upgradation report. Uh, you don't get this D double zero one. See here after C account groups. Just go down one by one.
But still
Your
the error persists, sir.
but other account groups are there. So if you configure all, then total error will be resolved.
Okay,
You
okay.
define some account groups that is there. Someone defined account groups that is there. Error will not resolve if you do only yours. Error will be resolved once total account groups has been assigned. Okay. But you just cross check your account group is there or not. Here you can see D D double zero one D double it is not there. So that will be resolved. D double zero one D double zero two D double just cross check yours. You know your account groups. You already maintain the account groups. So just cross check that after configuration. Do you have your account groups here? Okay.
So, sir, we are. What is the use
Will
of
not
this
be resolved.
pre-check upgradation?
Yes.
So, what is the use? I mean, why we
It
are
will show
using
you
it?
BP related configurations is missing or not. If any configuration step is missing, here we check and according to that we resolve. It will show you
Okay, sir.
configuration, missing configurations related to BP. Not only
Okay, thank you.
configurations, it will show you how many customers still migrate to BP like that, and how many vendors still migrate to BP, and how many contact person like that. Not only configurations, it will show you the how many customers still we should migrate to BP. So that information, last two steps is that. Okay. Next, next step, just take the heading. Next step. Then I'll give you the path. Take the heading. Define number assignment for direction customer to BP. Define number assignment for direction customer to BP. Define number assignment for direction customer to BP. Path. Take the path for this. SPRO, cross application components. SPRO, cross application components. Master data synchronization. SPRO, cross application components. Master data synchronization. Customer vendor integration. Customer vendor integration. Business partner settings. Business partner settings. Customer settings for customer integration. Settings for customer integration. Settings for customer integration. Field assignment for customer integration. Field assignment for customer integration. Assignment for customer integration. Assign keys. Assign keys. Assign keys. This one. Define number assignment for direction. Customer to BP. Define number assignment for direction. Customer to BP. Okay. So here first one is account group. Second one is grouping. Grouping means BP grouping. And if you have same number, then check same number. Okay. If number range is different, you cannot check same number. If account group number ranges is different, if BP grouping number ranges is different, then you cannot check this. System will not accept. Okay. So here in a what is the heading? Tell me seventh step. What is the heading? I
Define
said.
number assignment.
Define number
Define number.
assignment for direction customer to BP.
So define number assignment for direction, customer to BP. So here first one is account group, second one is grouping, then same number. So what is our account group? D001, grouping F001, check same number. X means assume that check. D002, F002 check. D003, F003 check. Like okay. Do this. Go to new entries. D001, F001 check same number. D002, F002 check same number. D003, F003 check same number. Save it. A003 are different. We have some error. I'll
Sir,
just
here the number, if the number range is different, then we should not check it. Huh?
we should not check same number if the number range is different. Let me rectify because this is this backup data. Uh, we have some errors. I'll try to rectify that errors. One second. This is not related to our batch. Let me rectify the existing errors so that you can. A003 AB. These errors we'll see tomorrow. Tomorrow we try to rectify these errors and we try to do our configurations here. Okay. Tomorrow we'll continue this step. Remind me, this is not completed. Tomorrow we will continue this. Thank you.
Okay, okay.
Tomorrow we'll
Thank
continue
you, sir.
this. Okay.
Thank
Thank you.
you.